My name is Dean Williams and I want to tell you a story about my grandfather. Back in 1948, he started a metalworking business in a shed in the backyard of this house. He was a success. The business grew and my father soon joined. They needed more space and they found it in the same street, a few doors down. I think you would have liked what we've done with the place. We now have 4 state-of-the-art laser machines to keep up with demand, all managed by staff who have been here for decades, just like me. So by now we're starting to get the hang of it. COVID has been a tough time for many industries. We've seen a few of our competitors go under, but we're surviving. In fact, at the moment, we're busy on a large order of modular bathrooms for high-rise buildings. We're happy to talk to you about our technology and design capabilities and how we can meet short lead times. It's all about planning and the hands-on experience of our staff to deliver the best quality result. Recently, we've updated our brand because we have our eyes on the future of manufacturing in Australia. We'd be proud to show you what 70 years of good work looks like, and we'd love for you to be part of the next 70. Maybe you've been disappointed by your current supplier or are having troubles with offshore manufacturers. Feel free to contact us. We'll take you on a tour of our factory.